Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of Tesla Model X horn customization. Unlike traditional cars, the Model X offers unique ways to personalize your horn sound, from software tweaks to hardware replacements. We'll cover everything you need to know, ensuring safety, legality, and warranty compliance. Let's get started. Tesla's V12.5.1 firmware, released in October 2025, introduced the Horn Sound Studio feature in select markets. This innovative software allows owners to customize their vehicle's horn sound through the Tesla app or infotainment system. The feature provides access to a library of pre-approved sounds, including classic car horns, musical tones, and even animal calls. Each option is carefully selected to ensure it meets safety requirements. When you press the horn button on the steering wheel, the signal travels through the vehicle's software to activate the chosen sound via the horn system. This creates a seamless integration between hardware and software. The audio settings interface in the vehicle allows for fine-tuning, similar to adjusting equalizer levels for immersive sound. This ensures the horn is both audible and pleasant. However, it's crucial to remember that all customizations must comply with local pedestrian safety laws. The sounds are designed to be effective alerts while remaining appropriate for different environments. The Tesla Model X horn system consists of two main components working together. There's a primary compressed air horn that provides loud, traditional alerts, and a secondary software-controlled speaker system that enables customizable sound options. The hardware itself includes an air compressor that builds pressure, a solenoid valve that controls the air release, and a speaker that produces the final sound. These components are integrated into the vehicle's electrical and pneumatic systems. When you press the horn button on the steering wheel, the signal flows through the vehicle's software control system, which then activates the appropriate hardware components to produce the horn sound. Physically, the horn assembly is located within the front bumper assembly. Accessing it requires specialized tools like a trim removal kit and potentially referencing the Tesla service manual for proper disassembly procedures. While physical replacements are technically possible using aftermarket kits, Tesla strongly advises against DIY attempts. This is due to potential warranty voiding, safety certification concerns, and the risk of disrupting the vehicle's integrated software systems that manage the horn functionality. Changing the horn sound on your Tesla Model X via software follows a straightforward process. We'll go through each step carefully. First, back up your vehicle data through the Tesla app to protect your settings and information. Next, access the diagnostics menu by holding the brake and turn signal stalks simultaneously. If you're replacing any hardware components, proceed with care to avoid damage. Then, upload your custom sound file through the Tesla app. Use wave format, keeping it to 5 to 10 seconds. Finally, test the new horn sound in a safe, open area to confirm it's loud enough and functions correctly. Remember, these modifications can impact the car's autonomy features, since the horn works with pedestrian detection in autopilot. When customizing your Tesla Model X horn, safety and legal compliance are paramount. All modifications must follow international standards designed to protect pedestrians, especially those who are visually impaired. The key regulation is UNECE Regulation 28, which mandates that vehicle horns must be audible enough to alert pedestrians in various scenarios. This includes ensuring the horn is effective in urban environments where visibility might be limited. Specifically, custom horn sounds must exceed 75 decibels when measured 2 meters from the vehicle. This volume level ensures the sound cuts through ambient noise, whether in a busy city or quiet residential area. Additionally, the sound must include a high-frequency component. This is crucial for alerting visually impaired individuals who may rely on higher pitch tones to detect approaching vehicles. Low-frequency sounds alone are not sufficient for this purpose. Tesla's system automatically verifies that your custom horn meets these standards. When you upload a sound through the app, it runs checks to ensure compliance with safety regulations before allowing the modification. Finally, always be mindful of local laws regarding noise pollution and appropriate horn usage. Regulations vary by country and region, so check your area's specific rules to avoid fines or legal issues. Horns should only be used for safety alerts, not for unnecessary noise. The EV market is experiencing a surge in personalization, with horn customization becoming a must-have feature for Tesla owners. Horn customization is now a must-have, driven by social media trends, where users share custom horn videos and themed sounds. Software-driven customization is on the rise, with 40% of new Tesla buyers prioritizing sound mods. Over-the-air updates enable pre-approved sound libraries via the Tesla app. The aftermarket ecosystem is growing, with companies offering plug-and-play kits. Sales have increased 150% year over year. Expect stricter AI-driven safety checks in the future, with integration of V2X communication. Horns may adapt dynamically based on context, such as softer tones in urban areas. While DIY replacements are tempting, they can void your warranty and pose safety risks. If you're not experienced with automotive work, consider professional installation. Tesla's support team now offers virtual diagnostics for horn-related queries, providing a user-friendly tech support option. Remember, 20% of attempted customizations encounter software glitches requiring a full reset. Testing and final checks. Always test your new horn sound in a safe, open area. Ensure it's loud enough to be heard by pedestrians and other drivers. Double-check that your chosen sound complies with local regulations. And finally, enjoy your personalized Tesla Model X horn.